Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of micro-investing, that's investing with small amounts of money. It might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's becoming increasingly accessible, and apps like Raiz are leading the charge. Now, you might be wondering, can I really invest with just a little bit of money? Absolutely. But before we jump in, there's one question many beginners have: what's the minimum balance requirement for a Raiz account? Intrigued? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we'll be tackling today. But before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and understand why Raiz might be a good fit for you, especially if you're just starting your investment journey. Why micro-investing with Raiz? Imagine this: you're stuck with that classic feeling, wanting to invest, but feeling overwhelmed by high minimums and complex investment options. Raiz cuts through that clutter. Here's why it might be your saving grace. Tiny steps, big impact. Raiz lets you start small, with a minimum deposit of just $5. That's right, a cup of coffee can be your springboard into the world of investing. Automated savings. We all have good intentions, but life gets busy. Raiz allows you to set up automatic deposits, so you can invest consistently without even thinking about it. Fractional shares. Want to own a piece of a giant tech company but can't afford the whole stock? Raiz offers fractional shares, allowing you to invest in companies you believe in, regardless of their share price. Flexibility. Need access to your cash? No problem. Raiz allows you to withdraw your money anytime without penalty. Now, with all these benefits in mind, let's get back to the burning question. So, what's the minimum balance for Raiz? The good news is there's no minimum balance requirement to maintain a Raiz account. You can deposit as little or as much as you want, whenever you want. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants to test the waters of investing or simply build a savings habit over time. But there's a catch, sort of. While there's no minimum balance to fret about, there's one thing to keep in mind: Raiz offers different investment options, some with bonus interest rates. To unlock these bonus rates, you might need to make a minimum monthly deposit, usually around $200. However, even without the bonus, you'll still be earning interest on your savings. Raiz, micro-investing made easy. So, there you have it. Raiz makes micro-investing a breeze, with its low minimum deposit and flexible features. Whether you're a college student with spare change or someone looking to build a long-term investment strategy, Raiz offers a convenient and accessible way to get started. Remember, investing always involves some risk, so be sure to do your research and understand your risk tolerance before putting any money in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.